Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the lift gate. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these two screws out. One here and one here. And this cover will come down. All right, to get these bulbs out, you can turn, twist to the left, and pull them down. To get the bulb out, you just pull out. You can replace these bulbs individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. These bulbs are a W5W, or you can also use a 194 bulb in its place if you have to. To put it back in, just line it up with the slot, and then line this socket up and twist to the right. The rest of the bulbs are the same. You twist them out the same way. So we'll put this cover back on, line this up. There's a slot right here for the wire. So we'll send the wire through that slot. Line that up. Take our Phillips head screwdriver. Just get this screw started, and then we'll get the other one started. Just snug it up. It is plastic, so don't over tighten it and strip it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.